Hi, I'm Billy. And welcome to Jack of Trades. In this video, we will learn how to create a partition on Windows 10 in less than 3 minutes. Partitioning Windows 10 might have been a recurring issue for all Windows fans out there. But in today's video, we are going to resolve that issue in a few simple steps. And without further ado, let's get into it. First, we need to open the Quick Access menu. To do that, press the Windows key plus X to open a menu located on your computer screen's left side. After that, go through the menu and select Disk Management. A new window will pop up. Select C Drive and right-click and select Shrink Volume in the options. Wait until the shrinking process is complete. The shrinking process analyzes the available hard disk space on your computer and allocates the optimal partition scope depending on your computer's situation. You can specify the allocation space, but in my case, I could not demand more freedom to my partition since I've already used up more than half of my disk space on this computer. So I will go with the recommendation of the OS in this case and click Shrink. Please wait for it until it finishes, it won't take too long though. After that, you will see another column called Unallocated. Right-click to that and select New Simple Volume from the options. Click the Next button 2 times. And after that, select the drive letter of your choice. Click Next. And finally, click Finish. So that's how easy it is to create a partition in Windows 10 without installing any third-party software. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Write down your comments below and hit subscribe if you're new to this channel. Be sure to click that notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is up. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.